Well, as the show continues on now this morning, I'm at Mason Health to talk about some fun events coming up here. It's the Trunk or Treat that they've been doing. I'm with Tracy Frederick and Jen Capps now. We're going to have a lot of folks to talk about this event. How are y'all doing?
We're awesome.
Good to see you. Good to see you here. All right, Friday the 29th from 2 to 5. You guys are doing your Trunk or Treat. Tracy, tell me a little bit about this.
So Trunk or Treat is an opportunity for the community to come on campus, for our staff to kind of get a little bit of a break for fun and to showcase our creativity and give away lots and lots of candy. We've also invited a few local businesses who expressed an interest in being involved, and we expect a lot of people to show up, and we're working very hard to make sure it's a great event.
Talk to me a little bit about the logistics here. How does this work? Are you driving through this? Is it a walk-through event? How will the families be able to do this?
Yeah, so we're still continuing to operate under COVID precautions. We are a healthcare hospital, and it'll be on our campus. So it is strictly a drive-through opportunity. So we will have staging areas for vehicles to line up this year, very defined. Everyone will stay in their car. They'll be able to drive through and see up to 19 different trunks this year.
Oh, that's a lot.
And we have Santa stations on hand this year, and we'll also just have, can I say, tons of candy. And tons of decor, as you see here.
I love it.
So we're super excited. We have a lot of creative people, which you guys will hear more about today, and we're really looking forward to showing the community how much we work hard, but we like to have fun too.
For sure. Jen, take the mic here and let's talk a little bit about some of the different trunks that you will see through here. I see a Hood Canal Communications one, Remax has got one.
I can't believe how creative everyone is being. There's so much enthusiasm, so much excitement, so much creativity. You all are going to hear about that. So some of the cool themes are Alice in Wonderland, representing the senior leadership team. Our Cerner Mason Health IT team is doing 101 Dalmatians. We have a pirate theme that's happening. We have Pumpkin Spice Gigfoot. So there's going to be all kinds of themes, super interactive. Come prepared to have a good time and safely.
So last year, who was the big winner last year?
Ooh, our diagnostic imaging team.
Yes. They were pirates.
Okay.
Last year, they built their own set. They built a boat, and they all dressed up, and they had many participants. It was very good feedback on diagnostic imaging, and they are a very dynamic team. They have a ton of creativity. They are totally dedicated to trying to make it 2 for 2.
Well, I hear that they've been working for months on this year's theme.
Yes.
So what we're going to do is take a quick break. We'll bring them on to talk about their plans and just how fun it is to be a part of the Trunk or Treat that's coming up again on the 29th at Mason Health from 2 to 5 p.m. Moving on here to get ready to talk to the DI team about last year's big win and their plans for this year. First, though, we want to make sure we mention and talk about some of the folks who are supporting this event. Jen, what did you have for that on that one?
Oh my gosh, Jeff, I'm so excited to report that we have a ton of community support. We have support from the business community, and our top supporter for the event this year is Amerigroup. I can't believe it. I'm just over the moon. And thank you to them for being our top premier supporter and sponsor for the event.
That's a great thing to have the support.
And as an aside, we're also being focused on our mission, and we're also going to provide flu vaccines at the event this year too, as an option for those that would like to participate.
Very nice. Very cool. All right, let's talk to Richard Jones, Lisa Sandoval, and Marilyn Gonzalez, who are part of the DI team, the diagnostic imaging team. They were the big winners last year. Richard, talk to me a little bit about last year's float.
Yes,
or last year's trunk, I guess.
A big winner last year. We were pirates last year, and it was great to see vehicles come around the corner and notice that the big pirate ship was in the back of the pickup. So,
how long did you work on that thing?
Oh, a month and a half.
Yeah?
But this one's going to be better, so hope to see everybody there. And
exciting. Yeah. Hand that over to Marilyn. Marilyn, talk to me a little bit about what you guys came up for this year. I see some very unique drinking glasses right now that have a theme of Nightmare Before Christmas. Something about that?
Yeah, that's our theme. Nightmare Before Mason Health is and it's going to be really fun. We got together a couple weekends and had a lot of fun and are still having fun. We're not quite done yet.
Nice.
We have some trivia. If it's a controversial one, is it a Christmas movie or is it a Halloween movie? Come by and let us know what you think. Maybe you'll get an extra piece of candy. And we also have an equation to solve that's going to be on a chalkboard.
Oh,
So
very nice.
that'll be
Fun.
Yeah.
Lisa, tell me a little bit more about kind of just the spirit of this and you guys as a team getting together and doing this competition.
Oh, God, it was so much fun. And, you know, one of the biggest things was that it was kind of a highlight because nobody got to do anything last year. And then being able to see the kids dress up and come through and excited faces, it was just great. We were on our feet. We were tired afterwards, but it was so much fun, and it was amazing, the turnout. So it was just great. It was a good feeling afterwards.
That's awesome. That's awesome. Nicole, how are you doing? It's good to talk with you again about this. And you're part of the team too as well, right? Is that are these folks with you? You were part of that last year?
I absolutely am a very proud part of this team right here, but I'm going to give this group the whole credit for all the hard work they did.
Talk to me just about the team and how well you guys work together and the camaraderie too as it comes with Mason Health.
Well, Jeff, I think needless to say, it's been a year. It's been a rough couple years, and I think being in healthcare is definitely it's definitely been a good time for all of us to find an opportunity to come together, put some smiles, and really connect with the community in a way we really appreciate too. You know, we've seen people and their struggles. We've seen folks come in and need us in a time, and this is a good time to come to us with smiles on your face and let us provide really good vibes around that.
So this is all part of the Trunk or Treat, which is happening on the 29th. It's Friday afternoon from 2 to 5 p.m. Jen just mentioned it, but let's talk a little bit more about the opportunities for those free flu vaccines.
Oh, yes. So when you say trunk or treat, you know, on top of the yummy treats you can get, what better treat than treat your health and protect yourself from the flu? And so, yes, we are going to say boo to the flu this year, and we are going to provide free flu vaccines while you're in line, as convenient as it can get for the adults in the group, the children in the group. We will have free flu vaccines for you. So just let us know if you want one.
We'll put the links to how you can see the map as well as all the information as well when it comes up to this. Well, it's really not only just at Mason Health, but all throughout the community on that Friday and into the Saturday too. Some fun Halloween offerings for folks. But make sure you do the Trunk or Treat at Mason Health on the 29th from 2 to 5 p.m. Thanks, everybody.
Thank you.